Hey everyone, so this will be a pretty quick unboxing here of the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. I know I'm a bit late to the party, but got mine today. So about 1,200 bucks here in the US. Alright, take it out, trying not to hit it with my fingernails there. So we do have a nice braided USB-C to USB-C finally cord. That of course is the biggest hype about this phone, I think, at the moment. Then we have our paperwork here, and of course there's no charger. You know they do charge you 1,300 bucks for this phone. But let's get into the phone itself. Hopefully y'all can see how nice this looks. I think it's gonna look different in different lighting. In a way, it almost looks purpley, depending on how the light's hitting it. That is a nice blue. Of course, you have your Pro camera set up there. Very big flash. Very big Apple logo. We have your volume rocker. Of course, we have that new special button here. Top has nothing. Side here has the power button. And then this guy, again, if you guys don't know what this is, let me know. I actually do not know. Then you have your USB Type-C. And then you have your two cutouts for your speakers. I'm sure only one of those actually is a speaker though. And there we go. So without the screen on, very hard to see. Hopefully you guys can see there is a camera right there. And then you have the dynamic island right next to it. They're not actually like combined. The screen's not on. It's very hard to show off how dark this screen is right now. So yeah, there we go. Put that on nice and gentle. Blue titanium. I think it is a sweet color. Hopefully it will not scratch. Of course, that's what cases are for. Again, 1,200 bucks. This is the base version, 256 gigabytes of storage. Y'all let me know what you think. Again, I know it's hard to tell exactly what this looks like on this camera, on this video. But yeah, thank you all very much for watching. Stay tuned for some more videos to come shortly here. As always, I appreciate it. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.